Hi everyone. So welcome to this beginner's tutorial on PictoChart. So PictoChart is easy to use tool for creating beautiful infographics. Okay, so first go to pictochart.com website. Sorry, spelling mistake is there. It's chart. Yes. Yes. So you will find the screen like this. You can sign up if you are new here, or you can log in with your Gmail ID also. Like I'm going to log in with my Gmail ID. Okay, so my ID was already there, so it has by default taken it. So after this, you can click on create your first visual. And now you can select any of the option like what you want to create. So for this tutorial, let's pick an infographics. So it's basically show you a lot of templates. It will offer dozen of templates, customizable templates. Choose one that fits your need. You can scroll down and just choose anyone. So let's the fun begins. So you can click on edit template to customize it according to your choice or your requirement, we can say. So now this is a template. So whatever changes you want to make in it, it's very easy to make. Like first of all, let's assume I want to change this text. You will just click here and by double clicking in it, cursor will be there. You can erase the text if you want to erase, or you can add your own. Like I'm going to write girls. Okay, so by clicking on this text option, different textiles are there. You can select anyone, whatever you want, or you can add new text box also if you want to add. I don't want it, so you can just delete it also. Okay, after this, like I am going to, yes, you can increase or decrease its font size. In the same way, you can make it bold, italic, underline. You can set its spacing. You can change its font style or whatever things you want to change. So in the same way, like various texts are there, you can make changes. And if you don't want any part, just click on that and press the delete key. From like I don't want this circle, just select it and delete, press the delete key from your keyboard. And if you want to add something else, like if you want to add some colors, so first of all select a particular part and look, the color scheme can be applied to a particular part also or to the whole. Means if you want to change the background, from here only you can change it. Yes, like in this way. So after this, if you want to add any chart, like chart we use whenever we want to show some meaningful data to our users or to someone, you want to present some data, so pictograph makes that data look great. So for that you will just click on charts and you will select chart whatever you want. The chart will be inserted. You can, by using this square box, you can increase or decrease its size. From here you can rotate it according to your wish. and you will mention your data here, key or data on which you want to make the chart. So after this, in the same way, if you want to add some of the graphics, you can click on graphics, and from here only just scroll it down. A lot of graphics are there, so whatever you want, just select that graphic will be added. Just scroll it down wherever you need it, and that's it. So in this way you can make beautiful graphics, you can make changes in that. You can pick any template and just make changes according to your content. And once you have finished, just click on this download, and you can download it in PNG form or in PDF format also. So by default, if you are using the free version, then we can go for free this PNG. Okay, so that's it. So you just created a stunning infographic with PictoChart in minutes. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more design and tips and tutorials. So bye.